Good morning, guys. Just wanted to share what I got through Amazon, and I just received it, guys. And check it out, right there. It's a portable compressor, which I don't have. I have a regular compressor, which I leave here at home, but when I go out and air down before hitting the sand, I actually take the risk of going to the nearest gas station to air up. So it's rated right there up to 33-inch tires. I didn't go beyond stock on my F-150 like how I did with my Tacoma before. So mine right now currently is around 32, so I think this will do the job. So I'm gonna test it out right now. Alright, so here it is in better lighting. I'll show you guys the box. Alright, here's the back side. I already unboxed it last night. So there's a cardboard piece missing already. But yeah, there's more information on top here. Alright, so here it is, guys. It's pretty compact. There you go. Got the usual information there, but yeah, here it is, guys. Check it out. I'm gonna go get a soda can to give you guys a better idea of how big it is. So yeah, it comes with these hooks that, of course, you need to hook up to the battery. And there you go. There's a gauge. It actually comes with 3 attachments. This one to inflate balls, some inflatables there, and another one looks like for inflatables also, right there. Alright, there's my tire. It's a 275/65. So yeah, let me just unwind it and see, give you guys a idea of how long this cord is. Alright, hold on, guys. Alright, so there, got the good old F-150 there. Give you guys a little comparison. Oh, but yeah, so I'm gonna probably inflate this one right here, guys. me go get my gauge. Alright guys, so started the truck. One of the requirements is, of course, you need to start the truck. And then now we're gonna clamp the connectors to the battery. Alright guys, so you know what, I'm gonna air down this thing. This is how I connected it. Really easy. Back to the battery, everybody knows how to do that. So I'm gonna turn this off yet. Oh. Turn it off. So it's a screw-in connection, which is actually kind of awesome. And there you go. So I'm gonna air down, and we'll see how it goes from 15 to 40. All right, I'm just gonna air down yet. Alright, so I aired down the front driver's side to 18. Now I'm gonna air down, oops, sorry. I'm gonna air down the back there to 15 and see how it goes. Alright guys, so as I said, the front one is around 18 psi's. So now we're gonna start to inflate it using my new toy, guys. So yeah, we're gonna run the timer and see how long it'll take for it to get up to 40 psi's. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, it's connected. So yeah, let's start. Oh yeah, also there's a little light there, so if you need light, just flash it over there. But kind of puny right there. So okay, let's give it a start. About there. Here we go, guys. Around 39. Let's keep it as that. It's raining. Ah, it's raining. Hold on. Alright guys, never mind moving around the unit, because check this out. Ta-da! No problem, guys. And of course, pretty sure it'll reach the oops, it'll reach the other side. Driver front side, of course. Alright, put this thing away.